Alright guys, what am I doing today other than sweating? It's humid out today. It's supposed to be hot this weekend. I don't know, feeling with the humidity, I don't know, 105 or 107, 45 Celsius for the other us Canadians. But you can see, this is red pine. We're cutting down all the dead stuff. I'm guessing this is pocket decline like Al Dresky was mentioning, but yeah, so we're done here. There's some pretty good pockets. Just moving to another area, but oh, and more. So you can see the dead red pine. And the worst part is the hardwoods, which were the ash coming up to take their spots, are dead too. It's not how it always goes. There is. There's a nice walnut. So there's some walnut coming in here. And they've planted some other stuff in here. But yeah, it's wide open. They just cut the grass and got to keep the buckthorn down. Here's the, that's the buckthorn. It is a pain. You know what's nice about this job? They feed us too. Oh, let me get out of the light. There you go. Wild strawberries. Pretty good. Better cold, but it's toasty today. Here's some more. We just got to do a bit of cleanup. Oh, here's another one. There you go. Not very big. So good. There's raspberries on this one too. There you go. Chip, chip, chip. There's all kinds. There's one more. There's a hanger over here we just want to pull down. Oh, that will be it. And once you stop cutting, they get out of shape really fast, let me tell you. Here you go. Problem with this is there's no shade in here. Oh, there. You can see that's all buckthorn, basically. Manitoba maple. I think they consider that invasive as well. But. And this, let me see if I can find one here. Yeah, this is all buckthorn. Alright, this is all buckthorn. And this, that's why it spreads so fast. Those are all the seeds, not ripe yet. And that thing is just loaded with them. And the birds love them. So that's how they get past, how it moves so fast. And they just eat them and poop them out. And you can see along fence lines where hydro wires or bell wires, telephone line, that's where they normally are. But there's that hanger. The boss is coming. He's in the skid steer. I lost rock, paper, scissors. So I get the cut and he gets to listen to the radio and get some nice cool air blowing on him. But anyway, let's get this done.